Hello, this is Dr. Adam Nykamp, and this is the STEM unit titled The Weather Ready House. It was developed for STEAM education at Indian Creek Elementary School in partnership with our STEAM team of teachers, partners, and collaborators. The following scenario will play out in this engineering design challenge. With the increase in our world of smart home technology, people are looking for more features on homes that will make their lives easier. Wouldn't it be great to have a house that can adapt to the current weather, whether it is rainy, snowy, sunny, hot, cold, winter, summer, or fall? Your job is to create a house that is able to predict and adapt to the changing weather conditions. The house you build should be 2,000 square feet, represented by your model, and the house must have instruments that will help it to be smart, such as thermometer, rain gauge, and other items. And it should be able to explain why those features are included. As a part of this engineering design challenge, students will use the engineering design process to complete the project. They will ask, imagine, plan, create, improve, and present their final artifact, a completed weather-ready house. For the challenge, students will use materials such as paper, cardboard, Legos, wood, plastic, recycled materials, and more. And integrating in this project will include subjects not only with science and math, but also ELA, social studies, art, music, and many more subjects. Math standards that are included in this unit include the standards for mathematical practice, 1, 3, 4, and 6, as well as the Georgia Standards of Excellence, standard number 3 for 4th grade. Apply the area and perimeter formulas for rectangles in the real world and mathematical problems. For example, find the width of a rectangular room given the area of the flooring and length by viewing the area formula as a multiplication equation with an unknown factor. Science standards that are covered are S4E4, which says to obtain, evaluate, and communicate information to predict weather events and infer weather patterns using weather charts, maps, and collected weather data. Construct an explanation of how weather instruments, thermometer, rain gauge, barometer, wind vane, and anemometer are used in gathering weather data and making forecasts. Construct an explanation based on research to communicate the difference between weather and climate. Technology integration will happen throughout this unit as well, as students use the ADISC model for technology integration and various platforms to research, simulate, model, present, and communicate throughout this project. The STEM careers that can be focused on through this project include engineer, civil engineer, carpenter, storm chaser, meteorologist, architect, and designer. Journal prompts are essential to any STEAM unit, and this one is no different. They reflect parts of the engineering design process throughout and get students to think critically about what they are doing and why they are doing it throughout the project as they develop their final engineering design project. Thank you for taking the time to learn about this STEAM unit, the Weather Ready House.